Will AI replace marketers? Let's talk about it. AI can do a lot: writing, research, analysis, you name it. So, AI will likely change what it looks like to be a marketer, and it might impact some roles more than others. Looking at our survey of 500 AI users, we're seeing AI used at the highest rate for research and fact finding. The second most popular use case is brainstorming ideas, followed by personal tasks like trip planning and shopping. So, more and more people are using AI to assist them with their work, and it can replace different, sometimes mundane or repetitive aspects of their job. But good marketing campaigns require human expertise and creativity. They require you to be familiar with your target audience, to tap into the way they think, to figure out ways of making your business stand out from competitors. The thing is, if every business is running their marketing with ChatGPT, every business is gonna sound exactly the same. None of them will stand out. So the winners in this AI era will be companies that preserve human expertise and creativity to set themselves apart. That doesn't mean you can't use AI as a tool for your marketing. You can use AI to help with specific parts of your job, but you shouldn't automate the core of your job. That's the crucial distinction that successful marketers and businesses will make. AI can take over some repetitive or time-consuming tasks like competitor research or data analysis and scoring leads. But it should not be used to take over tasks like creative campaign direction, brand positioning, or public relations. Those require human thinking on a fundamental level. So, for that reason, businesses will always need a team, whether in house or outsourced, of dedicated marketers to run the various aspects of their campaigns. When you use AI as an assistant to take some of those time consuming tasks off your plate, you have time to focus on those uniquely human tasks. Your campaigns can be even more powerful. So let's go back to our original question. Can AI replace marketing jobs? The answer, as I've explained, is both yes and no. AI can replace certain aspects of a marketer's role, some more than others, but it can't bring the experience and creativity that a human can. Businesses that want to stand out from their competitors and make an impact with their marketing will preserve human expertise on their marketing teams and use AI as an assistant. That means good marketers will always be necessary. Now, this is a pretty simple overview, so you can always do more research if you want to get really into the weeds on this topic. On the other hand, maybe you just want to know more about how to use AI in your own marketing. In that case, we've got plenty of other helpful videos on our channel for you to check out. Be sure to subscribe and get notified when we put out new videos. That's it for this video though. See you on the next one.